There's lots of online products you can sell on your EzyCourse site, but there are also physical products that you can sell on your EzyCourse site. Let's have a look at how that works. So on the EzyCourse dashboard under products and services, there's an option here for physical products. Now, these are typically things that you would post out to a customer. So it could be printed documents, it could be clothing, it could be equipment, that type of thing. Now, to add a product on your EzyCourse site, you simply click on Add Product, and that will allow you to create a physical product. I'm going to go and edit one of the examples that we've got here. So I'm going to go for this headset here, and I'm going to edit that just so that you can see what it looks like. Now here I'm able to give my product a title, I'm able to give it a description, and you can go into lots of detail here. You can add bullet points, you can add images, videos, whatever you want to. And then there's a shorter description that you can complete as well. You can categorize your products, you can give them a strike through price, which is a normally higher selling price, and then you can choose whether the product is free or whether there's a price to it. You can set what that price is and all manner of different things, upload images. Now you can enter specifications and key features for your product as well. And then when you've done all that, that then appears on your site for your users to purchase. So let's have a look and see what that looks like. So here I am on the example site that we're using. I'm on the all products page on physical products, and here's the headset that we created a product for earlier. So you can see the key features that I've put in appear at the top, and the price is there. There's the images, and then here underneath is the rest of the information. And like I say, you can put some decent long descriptions in here with videos and images and whatever you want to. Now, if I go ahead and click the Buy Now button, that then prompts me to put in my payment details. And then, of course, in the admin side of things, you'll get a notification that a purchase has been made, and then that alerts you to post that item out to your customers. So physical products, absolutely. There's options for you to be able to sell those on your EzyCourse site.